how to log into your account in GhibliArt.ai. If you want to create different GhibliArt effect images, then you need to log into your account to make those effects. So follow these instructions. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in GhibliArt.ai. After that, you'll see this home page, and here on the top right corner you can see this sign in option. Click on sign in. Now if you have logged in with your Google account, simply click on this Google button to log in with your Google ID. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up option to create a new account. Now type in your email on this first field. After that, type in your password on the second field, and if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password link to reset it. Now click on sign in to log into your account. After that, you will see your profile icon on the top right corner. So this is how you can log into your account in GhibliArt.ai. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.